Hi, I am Vipul Mittal, and in this session, I will discuss a multiple choice question on impairment of goodwill. With reference to Accounting Standard Codification Topic 350, impairment of goodwill is the condition that exists when. So you have four answer options. And it's talking about impairment of goodwill. What actually is impairment of goodwill? When do you say that goodwill has impaired? You guys know that goodwill impairment testing is done at reporting unit level. And reporting unit may be an operating segment or one level below the operating segment. So goodwill is tested for impairment at the reporting unit level. Now, when do you say that goodwill has impaired? Because you are doing the goodwill impairment testing at the reporting unit level, and you compare the carrying amount of the reporting unit with its fair value. So you compare carrying amount of reporting unit with the fair value of reporting unit. Now, if this carrying amount of reporting unit is more than fair value of reporting unit, then you say that goodwill has impaired. And this carrying amount includes goodwill. So when the carrying amount of reporting unit that includes goodwill is more than the fair value of the reporting unit, you say that goodwill has impaired. So impairment of goodwill is the condition that exists when carrying amount of reporting unit that includes goodwill exceeds its fair value. Now let's look at the choices. So impairment of goodwill is the condition that exists when carrying amount of reporting unit that excludes goodwill. No, no, this is not correct. No, it should include goodwill. The carrying amount of reporting unit that includes goodwill exceeds its fair value. Yes, this is the answer. Let's look at the remaining choices. The fair value of reporting unit exceeds its carrying amount that includes goodwill. No, fair value should not be more than the carrying amount, but carrying amount should be more than the fair value. And D, the fair value of reporting unit exceeds its carrying amount that excludes goodwill. Again, this is incorrect. So answer is B. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye.